What's up, Internet? This is Skinny, and today I'm going to teach you how to get the very best price on a brand new car the way I wish you knew how on this 2 Minute Tuesday. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me on another 2 Minute Tuesday. Today, as I told you, I'm going to teach you how to buy a brand new car for an amazing price without any tricks, without any big negotiating tactics. Really simple process. So many friends of mine and relatives always ask me, so really, Mike, how do you get a car for a great price? What are the tips? What are the secrets that you guys don't tell people? Honestly, there are none. There's no secret or rhythm or way to get a very best price on a brand new car except for what I'm about to show you now. This method is something that I prefer as a salesperson. My customers do before they come see me because it has everything on the table and it's super easy. We can both be on the same page very quickly. So let's start with the basics. This information is only going to be valuable to you when you're ready to purchase a vehicle. I'll go over in another episode how to research buying a car or how to get the most money for your trade. But today, this tool is good for when you're just about ready to buy that new car. So let's say that you chose a 2017 Nissan Altima SV. Great car, by the way. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to a website called carcostcanada.com. Car Cost Canada is an online company which will sell you the invoice price of a vehicle that you're looking at buying. In other words, I now will be able to find out how much that 2017 Nissan Altima SV cost the dealership. This is amazing information to have, so you can use it to your advantage to get the best price on a vehicle. But I want to show you how to use it to make sure that you have a great experience at the store. Now, I have great news. As a special offer, Car Cost Canada has given me my very own coupon code, and they're going to give you 2 free invoice price reports on any vehicle you want. Amazing. The coupon code is SKINNY, and you're going to go to Car Cost Canada, hit sign up, start building the vehicle that you want the price report on, and then you're going to log in using your name, phone number, email, and right below that you'll see coupon code, enter SKINNY, and there you have it, 2 free price reports. What a deal. Alright, so here we are on carcostcanada.com. Now the first thing you're going to do is redeem those 2 free invoice price reports. So let's go to sign up. And now we're going to select the vehicle we want to build. So let's choose the Nissan Altima. We're going to go to the SV model. You can see here now you can even choose paint because as you can see over here, different colors have different paint charges. So let's choose Pearl White. And let's go with the navigation and moonroof package. And I'm not going to add any accessories at this time. So here you can see the summary, the MSRP, the freight, the total options, including the paint charge and the navigation package, and then a total price here. Let's hit continue. And now you're going to put in your name. So, all right. Now right here where it says coupon code, you want to click there and put in SKINNY. Hit register. All right, perfect. So now it's going to ask you to validate your membership. So you did want to put in a correct phone number there. So punch in my validation code, hit submit. So here you can see right away the best price formula pops up, which says take the dealer cost, take away any applicable incentives, add the markup, and that is your best price. Now, Car Cost Canada members pay only 3 to 5% dealer markup over the cost on most new cars. So let me explain that. So a vehicle that's in high demand, such as like a 370Z or a Subaru WRX, something kind of like that, you may pay on the higher side of 5 to 7%. But a common vehicle like a Honda Civic or a Nissan Sentra, you'd be fine paying the lower end of 3%. So let's have a look at our invoice price report for this Altima. So here it is, the invoice price report, the golden ticket information. Now let me quickly show you how to use this so you can leverage the best offer. So first, just confirm that this is the correct vehicle that you were trying to build. And let's scroll down to some of the better information here. So you can see here the retail price and the invoice price. And you're going to want to go all the way to the bottom, confirming that all the packages are there that you selected. And see that the retail price of this is $31,148, which we saw on the page before. But now the invoice price shows of $29,082. So doing some quick math, you can see that there's a little bit over $2,000 markup in an Altima. Fantastic. This is great information to know. Now, you're going to need to know some other information in order to make the best decision. So let's continue to scroll down to where you're going to see the current factory incentive programs. Now these are programs if you're leasing or paying cash or using the higher finance rates. There's a lot of different programs that may be available depending on the manufacturer, but it's going to give you how much those programs are worth and when the programs expire. So depending on your situation, you're going to need to take those away from the invoice price as a further deduction, saving you even more money. And then last but not least, you're going to see here the finance incentives, the lease incentives, the terms, the rates, when those expire. So if you're thinking of leasing or financing, you can calculate those payments based on the rates and the terms. And you're also going to see other incentives from the manufacturer, such as pull ahead programs or early termination programs if you already have one of their vehicles already. So have a read, make sure you understand the programs. If you don't, you can always call the dealership or Car Cost Canada and they'll be happy to help you. But let's quickly go back up to the top and I'll give you a quick idea for, let's say, a lease on this Altima, okay? So we know that the invoice price is $29,082 and that they have special lease cash of $1,000 here. So that means that the invoice price of this car is now $28,082. So let's get our calculator. And let's take $28,082 and times by, let's be generous, let's say 3% over invoice. So that means that you should be able to walk into the dealership and purchase this exact Altima in this color for $28,924.46 with no hassle, no arguing. Should be simple as pie. So now you've got your Car Cost Canada invoice price report, and here's where I want to show you how to use this information to go buy the car but still have a great experience, because that's the other part of this. Having this information is great, but you're going to want to have a great experience when you're buying your $30,000 Altima, I would think. So let's go over how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is print your invoice price report and go to the dealership. You're going to sit down with your salesperson and you're going to say something like this. Mike, I'm here today. I've got the invoice price report on that 2018 Nissan Altima that we looked at, and I'm ready to buy the car. That sounds silly to say that out loud, but believe me, as a salesperson, I've been doing this 11 years, I still have anxiety with customers. I still don't know if they're ready to buy. I don't want to be pushy, but at the same time, I don't want to turn you away when you're trying to buy the car, because I've seen that happen too. So by letting them know you're ready to buy a car, that anxiety level is going to come way down, and I think it'll be a lot better experience for you. Now, you're going to show them the car cost report, you're going to show them the calculation you did, and you're going to say, I'm ready to buy the car at $28,924, whatever that calculation was, and I'm prepared to finance or lease and do that deal today. The smart salesperson is going to thank you for the business, take that, go to their manager's office and get it approved. And it's just that simple. This is not rocket science. Like I said to you before, I wish that people had this information, because oftentimes people will come in and they don't have this information and they think that we paid $22,000 for the car. There's all these crazy things. Now, if you had this information and you came in and gave me this and within 3 minutes, I knew you were buying a car and the price was fair, I'm in. It's simple as that. And I'm saying thanks so much. And that's what you want. You want that great experience. So use this information, use these tips that I told you to go in and get that VIP experience and still get the great price that you want. And then you can know leaving that when you come back to the store, you've got a friend there. You've got someone who's going to come and say hi to you when you're in for service getting an oil change done. And that's valuable, I promise you. There's a lot of people I know that when they come in for service, they come over, have a coffee with me. Maybe they need a vehicle for a little bit. I set them up and they're on their way. There's a lot of perks to having a friend in a car dealership. Just ask some of my friends. So that's it, guys. That is as simple as it gets. Car Cost Canada, use your coupon code SKINNY to get 2 invoice price reports. And that's it. So guys, thanks so much for watching this 2-Minute Tuesday. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any specific questions you want me to answer, just put them in the comments below or send me an email and I'll be sure to answer you. So guys, again, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day.